I bought and tested these top-loaded subwoofer enclosures so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to find the right one. Let me walk you through the best of the best, helping you choose the perfect bass companion for your ride.
Product number 1, Pioneer A-Series TS2000LB 8-inch subwoofer. When I first unboxed the Pioneer A-Series TS2000LB, I was struck by its compact design. This 8-inch subwoofer is built for performance in tight spaces, which is a lifesaver for a pickup truck owner like me. Installation was a breeze. I simply connected it to my external amplifier and boy did it deliver. The 700-watt peak power and 250-watt RMS power create a resonant bass that you can feel in your chest, which is exactly what I was looking for. The glass fiber and mica-reinforced IMPP cone provides a rigidity that translates into clean sound without distortion at high volumes. I remember taking it for a spin on the highway. The deep bass reverberated throughout my vehicle, and it was hard not to smile. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While the sound quality is impressive, the lack of a built-in amplifier means you'll need to invest in one separately to truly unleash its potential. Also, the shallow mount design may not suit everyone's aesthetic preferences, but for functionality, I'm willing to compromise. So why should you buy the Pioneer A-Series TS2000LB? If you're looking for a reliable subwoofer that delivers powerful bass in a compact design, this is your best bet. It offers great sound customization and flexibility in installation, making it perfect for those who want to enhance their car audio system without breaking the bank.
Product number 2, CT Sounds Dual 8-inch Loaded Tropo Series. The CT Sounds Dual 8-inch Loaded Tropo Series caught my attention with its sleek design and powerful specs. This ported subwoofer box packs a punch with a maximum output of 1600 watts, which is no joke. As soon as I powered it on, the sound quality was remarkable. The dual 8-inch subwoofers are pre-wired to a 1 ohm final impedance, making it super efficient and easy to connect to an amplifier. I remember cranking up my favorite tracks. The bass was deep and rich, filling the car with a sound that's hard to forget. But let's talk about the downsides. The price point is on the higher side, which might not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, while the MDF construction feels sturdy, it can be quite heavy, making installation a bit of a challenge. So why consider the CT Sounds Dual 8-inch? If you want to experience a balanced blend of power and sound quality in a dual setup, this loaded enclosure is a great choice. It's engineered to deliver a powerful bass experience, making it perfect for music lovers who crave depth in their sound.
Product number 3, CT Sounds Single 8-inch Loaded Tropo Series. Next up is the CT Sounds Single 8-inch Loaded Tropo Series. As someone who appreciates a good single subwoofer setup, I was eager to test this one out. This subwoofer is rated at 800 watts, which is impressive for its size. Its curve port design allows for superior sound quality, and when I heard it for the first time, I was genuinely impressed. The bass response is punchy and precise, ideal for both rap and rock music. The pre-wired configuration to a 1 ohm impedance simplifies the installation process, which I found particularly appealing. However, I did notice that its power handling is on the lower end compared to dual setups. If you're looking for earth-shattering bass, this might not be the best option for you. Also, the MDF material, while sturdy, can be susceptible to moisture, so keep that in mind if you live in a humid area. Why buy the CT Sounds Single 8? If you're looking for a compact, efficient, and high-quality single subwoofer that doesn't take up much space but delivers great sound, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for those who want a balanced audio experience without the bulk of larger enclosures.
Product number 4, Kicker 49 L7 TDF 122 downfiring 12-inch L7T. The Kicker 49 L7 TDF 122 downfiring 12-inch L7T is a game changer for anyone who needs serious bass without sacrificing cargo space. Its ultra-thin design fits perfectly under seats or in tight truck spaces, making it incredibly versatile.
When I first fired it up, the bass was not just loud, it was deep, rich, and incredibly clear. The downfiring design means it can take a beating, and I loved how the enclosure is built to resist scratches and stacking weight. One drawback I found was that while it delivers impressive sound quality, the 600-watt RMS may not be enough for some hardcore bass enthusiasts. Additionally, the price point is on the higher end, which could deter budget shoppers. So why should you consider the Kicker L7T? If you want a subwoofer that combines convenience with exceptional sound quality, this is it. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy a robust audio experience without compromising on space.
Product number 5, Belva BPKG-10T 10-inch shallow mount subwoofer. Last but not least, the Belva BPKG-10T is an impressive combo of a subwoofer and a built-in amplifier. For someone like me who appreciates convenience, this shallow mount design is a blessing. It fits perfectly into tight spaces, making it ideal for hatchbacks and trucks. When I tested it, the bass was surprisingly powerful for a 10-inch sub. It filled my car with deep, punchy sounds that made my daily commute enjoyable. The sealed enclosure design ensures you get tight bass response, and I really appreciated that the installation was straightforward. However, the 600-watt peak power may not satisfy those looking for extreme levels of bass. Plus, while it's compact, it does take up some space, so it might not be suitable for those with minimal cargo room. Why buy the Belva BPKG-10T? If you're looking for a hassle-free solution to enhance your car's audio system with decent bass, this combo is a fantastic choice. Its ease of installation and compact design make it a winner for anyone wanting solid sound without the fuss. In conclusion, each of these loaded subwoofer enclosures has its own strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're after powerful bass, compact design, or a complete audio setup, there's something here for everyone. Choose wisely and enjoy the beats.